Hey guys, no experiment is complete unless we try the milk paint mix in a flip cup. So I had just a little bit of white left, so I thought let's try it. We're going to use the same colors with silicone. So we had the indigo from Lucas, the gold bronze from Lucas, and the peridot from Folk Art. So let's see how this works. Sorry, I'm still coughing. I'm filming all these in one day, so I'm going to sound sick for like 4 videos. Alright, so let's get that indigo in there. Gold bronze. I'm going to go back with the indigo because this does love to eat up that blue. And some more gold bronze. Okay. So it's all in there. Silicone is working. I did not spray the cup because I want a true experiment. So while that's sitting, I'll cap these off. Okay. 1 sec. I put you on pause so I could cough. Okay, here we go. So we have some beautiful cells, and of course that white. Ooh, look at that cup. Isn't that pretty? Let me torch it. You want to see how it plays with silicone. Okay, let me get these last 2 edges. I got some stuff going on already. I'm going to take a little more of that white off because we know we're going to get that coming up through anyway. That's pretty. Okay, let me torch it. All I'm doing is popping air bubbles and warming up the paint so the silicone can come up. So it looks like it's acting like normal white paint that we put in a flip cup. I'm not seeing any cloud effect at all. It is very pretty though. Let's let it set 10 minutes and let's see what it does. Be back. And I'm back. Not much change. A few more cells. No cloud effect. So now we know it does not play well with silicone. So there you go. It is still beautiful though. I love those colors together. And I think it's going to dry super shiny with that blue as contrast. It's pretty. So there we go. I tried it for you. Don't waste your paint. Don't waste your silicone. I think what we'll do also is maybe try a flip and drag with the cloud paint as a base. And maybe a Boilermaker. We'll try some different stuff. But later in the week and later this month. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Doink, doink. Hit that bell. Leave a comment, please. I would love to know what you think. Especially how this white is just setting there. And check out our group on Facebook, The Praj Posse. My art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Check out our Etsy shop for jewelry. We will be putting paintings in there very soon. I was going to do it today. Of course, it's going to rain. And also, Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Coat is below. Get yourself some resin. Let's play. We're going to be bringing that to the channel next week. And also, we have other links, our fan mail box, our PayPal donation link, so much below. Check it all out, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now.